Good morning, student. This is legal passage at 100 words per minute. Be ready. This appeal is directed against judgment and order dated 2012-2011 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in Civil Revision number 8 of 2009, whereby the revision filed by the defendant number 1 is allowed and order of eviction against the tenants passed by the judge, small causes courts oblique 10th additional district judge merit is set aside. Stop para. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the paper on record. Stop para. Brief fact of the case are that plaintiff number 1 oblique appellant is owner and landlord of house bearing municipal number 831 bracketed old number 446 situated in Molwana district Meerut. Stop. The house was let out to Nawab Singh bracketed father of the respondents and a rent note bracketed annexure P2 was executed on 15/2/1975. Stop. The building under lease consistent on ground floor used for commercial purposes and for the first floor for the residential purpose. Stop. It was pleaded by the plaintiffs that the defendant stopped payment of rent of the building after August 1981. Stop. Consequently, a notice on 16/8/1992 was served on the defendants, and when they failed to pay rent within 1 month of service of notice, a suit for eviction and recovery of arrears of rent was filed by the plaintiffs before Judge Small Causes Courts oblique District Judge Meerut. Stop. Para. Only defendant number 1 bracketed respondent before us contested the suit and filed a written statement. Stop. It is admitted that the plaintiff oblique appellant is the landlord of the house in question. Stop. It is also admitted that property was let out to Nawab Singh, father of answering defendant, on rent at the rate of rupees 440 per month. Stop. However, it is denied that there was any default in payment of rent on the part of defendants. It is stated that no notice of demand of arrears of rent and termination of the tenancy was served on the defendants. Stop. In the additional pleas, the answering respondent has stated that the rate of rent was only rupees 2000 per month, which was paid up to December 1981 to Krishan Pal Singh, bracketed father of petitioner number 1. Stop. It is further pleaded that thereafter the rent was not accepted by the landlord. Stop. It is pleaded that answering defendant amount of rupees 20,000 before the trial court in May 1984, which included arrears of rent, 9% interest of costs. Stop. As such, in view of provision contained in subsection 4 of section 20 of Uttar Pradesh Urban Buildings bracketed Regulation of Lettering, Rent and Eviction Act 1972 bracketed for short up Act number 13 of 1972, the defendants are protected from the decree of eviction and the suit is liable to be dismissed. Stop. So thank you, students. This is 4 minutes dictation and practice is again and again. Thank you very much.